Hello, my name's Craig. Everyone on site though calls me Bruce because my surname's Lee, and my mate Keith, he christened me years ago, donkeys years ago, and it stuck. So but I can't do all that stuff though. In these vids I'm going to be running you through pitch roofing practices from the basics to the more advanced stuff. Everything to do with slating and tiling. Now, I've done other types of roofing, like flat roofing and sheet roofing, but there's people out there that've got far more broader knowledge base than I have in those areas, so I'm going to leave that to them because they're the experts in that field, and I consider myself an expert in slating and tiling, so that's what I'm going to be concentrating on. Along the way, I'll throw in plenty of tips, tricks. Tricks is the word, because I say tricks to the lads on site, the ones I'm teaching, and they know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to throw plenty of tricks in and hacks to get you out of tight corners, and also it makes your day go quicker. You'll finish earlier, because do you want to go home? That's another thing I say to the lads. Do you want to go home? When they're looking at the phones and piddling about, do you want to go home? So then they're on it again then, because they know they're going to go home earlier if they put their mind to it. So let's get on with it then.